Hello learners, today we will learn about some rules of preposition in, at and on. So here are some examples. I am dash London. Here London is a large area, and for large area we use preposition in. I am in London. Next is I am dash home. Here home is a small area, and for small area we use preposition at. I am at home. I am dash the park. Here park is a small area. So again for a small area we use preposition at. I am at the park. Next is I am dash a bus. Here bus is a large public transport and we can stand and walk in a bus. So in that case, if in transport we can stand or walk, we use preposition on. I am on the bus. I am dash the school. Here school is a small area. So for small area we use preposition at. I am at the school. I am dash my room. Here we are talking that I am room, and room is an exact location. So we use preposition I am in my room. I am dash the ship. Here ship is a large public transport, and in this transport we can stand and walk. So for large vehicles in which we can stand or walk, we use on. I am on a ship. Next is I am dash the shopping mall. Here shopping mall is a small area, and for small area we use preposition at. So I am at the shopping mall. I am dash a taxi. Here taxi is a small public transport and we can only sit. So in that vehicle in which we can only sit, we use in. I am in a taxi. I am dash the washroom. Here washroom is the exact location, and in that case we use in. I am in the washroom. I am dash the flight. Here flight is a large public transport and we can stand or walk in the flight. So we use preposition on. I am on the flight. Next is I am dash the kitchen. Here kitchen is a small area, and for small area we use preposition in. I am in the kitchen. I am dash a car. Here car is a small public transport and we can only sit. So we use I am in a car. I am dash a bike. Here bike is a small vehicle and we can only sit on a bike, but we cannot use I am in a bike. It's an exceptional case. And if you are also not the driver, we will use another preposition, that is on. So we use here I am on a bike. I am dash the office. Here office is a small area, so we use I am at the office. Thanks for your choice topic. Write in the comment section.